Pag sinabi mo syempre, concert queen, lagi nakakabit doon, concert king.
Oo nga.
Oh, lagi, no? Lagi yun eh, magkadikit yun. Concert queen and concert king.
Ayan.
Siyempre, di ba, pareho kayo ni Martin na ang dami yung pinagdaanan. It's an open book naman, di ba? Naghiwalay na kayo, you had kids, naging co-parenting kayo.
Some people don't know that. Akala nila tama ba ako? I think mas naging close tayo nung nagkaroon tayo ng same ex.
May mga bagay ka ba noon na hindi mo nagawa na gusto mong gawin ngayon?
Parang love life lang yun. There was a time na pa-pressure na ako. Parang I felt I was searching. Then I said, nakakapagod naman.
Yeah,
the more I search, the more I look, the more parang hindi nag-work. Pride ko lang naman yung ma-hurt.
Tama naman.
Pag hindi nag-work. I think sa lahat naman ng mga nakikita rin natin, mga matagal na sa industriya, I think hindi naman talaga tayo tatagal pag hindi naman natin
Meron
gusto
akong kakilala
yung ginagawa. Meron?
Bored lang siya.
Sino to?
Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. And not everyone knows, alam nyo, yung guest natin today is someone very close to me. Aside from the fact na pareho kaming Sagittarian, almost magka-birthday kami, and sa lahat ng lows ko nandun siya, sa lahat ng highs ko nandun siya. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Pops Fernandez.
Yay! I made it!
We made it!
Thank you! I'm so happy to finally be on your YouTube channel.
I know, finally!
Yes! Alam nyo ba, for those who don't know, yes, madami kaming chikahan dati ni Aiko. I think later on she will ask me about it. But one of the things na pinag-usapan namin dati is her YouTube channel, which is now doing so well. So I'm so happy for you.
And thank you! Finally, after so many tries of trying to get you to guest here, finally you're
finally.
here. In flesh.
I was given a choice where to guest. Sabi, ay, kay Aiko.
Thank you.
Because I owe her so much. I owe her. I keep saying yes, tapos hindi kami natutuloy. So ito na yun.
Girl, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, di ba, ang tagal na natin magkaibigan, di ba? Sobrang, paano ba tayo una nagkakilala? Of course, syempre, alam natin na same industry tayo. Ikaw, kasi...
Alam mo, girl, I wanna say, tama ba ako? I think mas naging close tayo nung nagkaroon tayo ng same ex.
Oo nga, no? Oo.
I think doon nag-umpisa, di ba? And then somehow, yeah, we got along so well. I think yung parang actually, hindi naman natin siniraan, but may common kwentos lang tayo. And then from there, naging mas personal na. In other words, you shared your life with me, I shared my life with you. Tapos doon na tayo naging close, di ba?
I remember, girl, di ba? I used to go to your house. Tanghaling tapat. You'd cook for me. And then yung mga times na yun na lonely ako, di ba? Ano you're very intelligent talaga. Oo, every time na magra-rant ako sa'yo, sasabihin mo talaga sa akin yung logic talaga na papaintindi mo sa akin step by step. And ako naman nakikinig. And tapos may mga times pa nun, girl, after kong sa'yo magsabi, magmamanifesting tayo, di ba?
Yes.
And nangyari
actually, parati kong tinetext si Aiko kasi yung times nga na, syempre, tama ka, yung low times, ang dami niyang sinishare sa akin. And of course, I always want to be a positive friend.
Yes.
Kaya nga, di ba, positive. I always want to put some positive meaning or thought to it.
Yeah.
Ang magandang nangyari, lahat po ng mga hinaing niya dati, parang meron kaming solution for it at that time.
Yes.
At inisa-isa ni Aiko, yung gusto niyang mangyari sa buhay niya. Ang una doon is sana magka-TV series siya, sana magka-acting award siya, sana mabalik siya sa politics. Tapos syempre, love life.
natupad lahat.
Tapos parang lahat natupad. So every time ngayon kasi ang tagal na namin hindi talaga nakikita, every time na mababasa ko or makikita ko sa post niya na nanalo siya ng acting award, oh my God, girl, congrats, I'm so happy for you. Papalala ko sa kanya, remember the time we were just talking about that. Tapos nanalo uli siya as counselor. Oh my God, girl, congratulations.
Yeah, you'd always remind me every time.
And I'm really genuinely happy because ang sarap nung feeling na it's proven na when you pray, when you claim it, at yun na nga, when you manifest it and believe in it, talagang nangyayari. So, isa si Aiko sa napakagandang example dyan. In other words, hindi lang niya sinasabi sa sarili niya, talagang kiniklaim niya. Yun yung maganda.
And what I love most about you, Pops, is you're the type of person talaga na you always bring out the beauty in each situation. Yun, kunyari, like ako, at that time, yung parang ang nega-nega ko. Pero ikaw pa rin, you'd tell me, girl, there's beauty in every situation. You'd always make me realize, girl.
Paalala mo nga sa akin.
Diba? Oo, sobra. Like,
kasi ayokong ako mismo, for myself, ayoko nang porket I'm in a low or I'm going through something, yun na yun. Wala na ba akong escape? Hanggang dito lang ba ako?
Yeah.
Ayoko rin paniwalaan sa sarili ko yun. Gusto ko yung, I'm going through this because kailangan ko lang may matutunan. It's like a lesson in life. Tapos pag na-hurdle ko to, for sure, okay na ako kasi napagdaanan ko na to at magiging mas okay ako.
Oo, better, no?
Better.
Tsaka ang sarap sabihan ni Miss Pops ng sekreto. Kasi alam nyo, trivia lang kay Pops. Pag kunyari kausap niyo siya ngayon, sabihan niyo siya, the following day, kunyari, girl, walang nakakaalam nito ha. Tapos sabihan niyo siya, and then mamaya, girl, naalala mo nakakalimutan niya. So, ang galing.
Hindi ko alam kung magaling na.
Oo.
Nakakalimutan ko.
Oo. Nakakalimutan niya talaga. So, yung secret mo talaga stays there for life.
At least, I listen to you.
Yun talaga. Pero at that moment, i-advise sa kanya the best advice. As in, the best advice.
Thank you.
And then, if you tell her na, you keep it as a secret secret talaga.
Secret. Nakakalimutan
Till this day.
Oo.
And then, I'd be the one to remind her, girl, I told you diba about, I forgot na, girl. So,
that means wala talaga ako intention to carry the kwento elsewhere.
Yeah.
But of course, at that moment, I did listen and I'm really a good listener.
Yeah. If there's one, parang best na memory mo sa akin, pag kunyari nakikita mo ako, ano naalala mo sa akin?
Alam mo, naalala ko talaga yung times nga that you would go to my house. Kasi yung time na yon, you would really pour your heart and soul.
Yeah.
I mean, is it safe to say na sobra kang down?
Oo, super.
Kasi parang wala kang work.
Yeah, wala talaga.
Tapos, yun na nga, na wala yung position mo in politics. So, ang feeling mo, parang kinu-question mo, how do I recover? And everything.
How do I bounce back?
How do you bounce back? And I think with Aiko kasi, kaya rin siya doing very well. Every time, iniisip niya how to bounce back, it's because of her kids and her family.
Yeah.
So, there's always a reason. It's not a selfish reason like it's for her, gusto ko lang manalo ako. It's because she's a very loving daughter and mother and sister.
Oh, thank you. Ako, pagka i-ask mo ako, girl, kung ano yung lagi ko naalala sa'yo, yung concert queen ka, girl Pero it is never in your head na who you are. Like when we go out, you never make us feel who you are. Like we'd always tell you, girl, you're the concert queen.
Ako nga,
parang
nakalimutan ko mag-ayos.
Oo, parang nakalimutan. Wala lang, pagkasama mo siya parang normal, and then would be the ones to tell her na, girl, you're the concert queen, and gusto lang namin i-remind sa'yo, girl, na up to this time, na wala pa rin nakakasurpass lahat ng achievements
Para
mo.
ayaw ka maniwala.
Totoo.
I think kasi, yung mom ko yan Parang ayaw niya na lumaki ako na mayabang, number one. So, nung bata pa lang ako, she always
keeps you grounded.
She always reminds me na, huwag kang yayabang-yabang ha. Sa bahay, ito ka pa rin ha, pops ka pa rin. So, I think that's why I'm as normal as I can be. And minsan nga, I have to remind myself na, oh nga pala, showbiz pala ako, or something.
Kasi I read this article when I was doing this research sa Manila Times. It says there that till this time, wala pa rin talagang nakakasurpass or nakakagawa. Wala pa rin. Ikaw pa rin ang concert queen. And wala pa rin nakakasunod and makakapalit nung title na yun sa'yo. And you being the concert queen, sa bahay ba, girl, ano ka ba? When you wake up, what do you do? What do you normally do? Ano ba ang concert queen? May corona ba yung pag-gising?
Sobrang normal kaya ako. I wake up. Siyempre, I have my 3 fur babies.
Yeah.
They stay with me. They sleep with me. So, sila nagwa-wake up sa akin. Wala, breakfast. Tapos, kung wala man akong ginagawa that day, I usually just stay home, spend time, probably do some work from home. Kung hindi, lalabas lang with friends. Yun lang.
But lately nga
hindi ako masyado lumalabas. Siguro, na-enjoy ko na masyado yung sarili ko. I love traveling. So, every chance I can get na I can see the world. Kasi by nature, we're very adventurous.
Yes, Sagittarians. Yeah.
Yes, we like new things. We like seeing new things. We love traveling. So, pag may chance ako, naimbitahan ako, or may moment na pwede akong pumunta somewhere, I take advantage of that. Feeling ko rin kasi is when you see a new place, meet new people, experience their culture, tapos yung pagkain nila, ginagawa nila, it's also very educational. Diba?
Yeah.
You learn a lot.
And girl, ikaw ang isa sa living testimony ng pagiging vampire. Ano ba? What's your beauty secret? Oo. Para kang vampira. Meron ba kang
secret? Siyempre, I always say nga, lately na, you have to love yourself. Kasi madami naman tayong pinagdaanan. Tuwing may pinagdadaanan tayo, nakakalimutan natin ang sarili natin.
Yeah.
Kasi mas nakafocus nga tayo sa problema natin. Parang feeling natin at that moment, naku, matatapos ba to? Yes, bakit hindi ito matapos? Or hindi natin, we don't have enough belief and faith. Di ba na, we will get over it.
Yes.
So, yung mga panahon na yun, syempre, lost ka, tama, malosyang ka na. So, I always also have to keep reminding myself. And I learned na, bago ko ma-share yung pagmamahal ko sa iba, kailangan mahalin ko muna yung sarili ko.
Should start within you,
yes.
diba? Tama.
And that means not, well, physically, of course. Kailangan pagising mo sa umaga, gusto ko ba yung nakikita ko? Di ba yun? Di ba? Yun ang una mo makikita sa sarili mo. So parang, gusto ko ba yung sarili ko ngayon? Okay ba ako? And it's not because I want to feel beautiful. No, it's just, okay ba yung itsura ko? Hindi ba ako mukhang ngarag? Oh my gosh. I think it starts off with that. So kung gusto mo yung nakikita mo, in other words, you know that you feel good that day, you look good that day, then you're off to a good start, diba? Lalo na tayo sa industry natin, we owe it to ourselves, diba? Yung parang always constant check. I mean, ako, I love to eat, pero pag feeling ko, I think I'm overeating, I try to control what I eat, diba?
And I've noticed, girl, whenever you have an upcoming concert, you always go on a diet na I do not understand. Dahil sabihin niya, I'm on a diet. Parang, ano na diet mo, girl?
Kasi feeling ko,
like now,
syempre may mga taba-taba dyan. Alam mo yun, hindi natin maiwasan yung mga taba-taba sa mga unwanted places. Plus also, I think I'm also trying to rebuild my stamina. Syempre,
more on that.
More on that. So I really work out. Ayoko kasi nang kumakanta ako. Tapos na-experience ko yun, hinihingal ako. Isang kanta pa lang, sabi ko, ang pangit. Ako mismo nagsasabi sa sarili ko, parang ang pangit. Bakit mo ginawa yun? So I'm very conscious of that. So it's for energy. It's for stamina. Para hindi ako napapagod kagad. Para nakakaya ko yung ginagawa.
You know what makes you a concert queen? I've noticed you're perfectionist. In everything you do, you pour your heart to it. I've noticed that, girl.
Thank you, girl.
Production.
Yeah.
You're considered as fashionista, girl. Alam ng industry yan, fashionista ka, girl. You always love to reinvent yourself. Kasi di ba pagka tayong mga concert queen, tayo talaga, na-joke lang. Ikaw lang.
Why not?
Ikaw na concert queen talaga. Hindi ka napapagod mag-reinvent ng sarili. Girl, ikaw ang nagpauso ng maiksing buhok. Lahat na yata ng hairstyle. Tapos pag lumalabas ka every concert, inaabangan talagang outfits mo.
Oh, thank you.
How do you do that? Nagre-research ka o ikaw lang pagising mo, ay, itong gusto ko?
I think it's sometimes by feel, kung ano rin yung nararamdaman ko. Like, tayong mga babae, di ba? Pag meron tayong pinagdadaanan, ako, ang una kong pinagdidiskitahan, buhok ko. Pag bored ako, buhok ko. Parang it makes me feel when I do something with my hair, it makes me feel like I'm a different person. Or parang, oh my God, nabawasan yung stress ko. Parang ganun. It's all about my hair. Yun. Isa yun. There was a time I was going through so much. Naku, every week yata iba-iba yung kulay ng hair ko. Napagdaanan ko yan. Hanggang sa nasira yung hair. Hanggang sa sinabi ko, paputol na muna natin para fresh start yung hair ko. But it's that. The dressing up, maybe it's because I really love to dress up. Bata pa lang ako.
Ganun ka na talaga.
Yes. Gusto ko yung may bago akong sinusuot. Again, I feel good when I have new clothes, new outfit. Pag may bago akong style na nagustuhan or na-invento, it makes me feel good. It's still about how I feel.
You remember, girl, di ba, minessage ko na one time sa session, yung outfit ko, girl, okay lang mo, kukopyahin ko yung susuot mo. Di ba? Minessage mo kita.
Yeah.
Tapos may hashtag pa tayo.
Yes,
kasi nga,
yes.
Nagka-create ka talaga ng na minsan hindi mo sinasadya na akala mo, it's just a typical outfit for you. Pero sa amin, pag nakikita namin, it's really wow. Pero for you, when you wear it, it's nothing for you. Pero sa amin, ang ganda talaga eh.
Oh, thank you. I think it's that nga. Mahilig talaga akong magbihes. And it doesn't necessarily mean na lahat ng damit ko or gamit ko is mamahalin. Actually, for me, yun nga yung challenge eh. Pag na-mix ko yung mga super affordable clothes, tapos akala nila ang mahal siguro ng suot ni Pops.
Yeah.
Dun yung challenge for me. So how do I mix and match certain things like that?
Pagka looking back, may mga bagay ka ba noon na hindi mo nagawa na gusto mong gawin ngayon?
Nung bata ako,
siguro mga let's just go back mga 3 years or 4 years
ago. I think we should always keep dreaming. Pero yung mga frustrations ko nung dalaga pa ako, hanggang sa nag-asawa ako, hanggang sa naging single ako, pinramis ko kasi sa sarili ko na kailangan unti-unti kong magawa yun. I think that's why yun yung payo ko sa'yo. Do what you want to do while you still can. Because ayoko rin na one day I look back and I tell myself, sayang no, hindi ko man lang na-try. Pwede naman siguro. Ano kaya kung ginawa ko talaga yun? Mag-excel kaya ako? I sometimes say in my interviews, I am not really afraid to fail or make a mistake.
Because at least you've tried.
Yeah, because at least I've tried. I think that is better than, pride ko lang naman yung ma-hurt.
Tama
Pag hindi nag-work. Pero mas masakit yata kung tumanda na ako ng matanda tapos I look back in time tapos sinabi ko sa sarili ko, ngayon wala na akong chance kasi ang tanda-tanda ko na hindi ko man lang na-try o ginawa yun.
Tama. Tapos, girl, syempre, kilala ka rin as being a good host. Tapos yan, singer. Tapos, di ba, ang dami-dami naglalabasan ng mga bagong singers ngayon. Kung meron kang best advice na ma-advise dun sa mga upcoming singers para ma-achieve nila yung, or ma-attain nila yung yung narating mo and where you are right now, what can you tell them?
It's a long journey, di ba? It starts off as, sometimes yung iba, baka pinilit lang sila ng mga magulang nila. No? For the others naman, baka lifelong dream nila talaga yun. Yun, if it's in your heart, if you're really passionate about it, make it work. Yung wag ka tumigil hanggat hindi mo na-achieve yung gusto mo. At times, pag hindi talaga meant to be, at mararamdaman mo naman talaga siguro yun, it's okay to switch. Diba? In life kasi, sometimes iba yung dream mo sa pangangailangan mo. Diba?
Tama, ang ganda yun.
Diba? Minsan, ito yung dream natin. Okay lang na ito lang yung bayad kasi gustong-gusto ko talaga to. Kaya lang minsan, nangangailangan ka rin naman. Diba? May mga needs ka to make money, you need this. So sometimes we have to adjust. And I think it's all destiny. Diba? It is what is destined for you.
Yes. Kasi diba may mga bagay na dapat hindi mo rin ipipilit kung it's not meant for you.
So minsan, for others, napakadali. They just happen to be there at the right time.
Right.
Diba? Yung iba naman, nag-fail paulit-ulit. Pero dahil chinaga nila, they succeeded. So it's all about destiny.
Kasi I remember, yun yung sinabi mo sa akin, girl. May mga bagay ka na talagang kailangan na you have to push for it. You have to keep fighting for it. Pero pag hindi naman talaga para sa'yo, you have to let go of. I remember that.
Parang love life lang yan.
Oo. Dun sa part na love life.
Huwag pilitin.
Kaya tingnan mo, meron tayong time na hindi na natin pinili. Ay, sa buhay natin.
Mararamdaman mo naman yata. But no, that's true. Others kasi feel na pinag-pray ko naman to and I work so hard for this. But bakit ayaw? But maybe because God is leading you somewhere else.
Something better.
Something better.
Yeah.
Yung iba naman, hindi sila naging successful. They tried. And then one day, sila yung panalo. So we never really know. That's what makes life exciting. But yun na nga, all throughout this, dapat you never give up on yourself.
I agree. Pag sinabi mo siyempre, concert queen, lagi nakakabit doon, concert king.
Oo nga.
Oh, lagi, no? Lagi yun magkadikit yun. Concert queen and concert king, diba? Pero, till this day, yung tandem nyo talaga, sobra pa ring iconic. What do you think is the magic between it? Siyempre, di ba, pareho kayo ni Martin, na ang dami yung pinagdaanan. It's an open book naman, di ba? Naghiwalay na kayo, you had kids, naging co-parenting kayo. Why do you think yung tandem nyo as concert queen and king still works at this time?
Because before we even thought of falling in love with each other, talagang meron na yata kaming chemistry.
Oh.
It is what everybody saw on screen that we never knew existed. So parang ever since, first time ko pa lang maging guest co-host sa Penthouse Live where Martin was already a main co-host. Nakita na yon ng mga producers namin, ng director namin. And that's the reason why they asked me back as a guest co-host again. Hanggang sa naging regular na ako talaga. So I think there is really something there. And then yung falling in love and all that, it just happened because parati na kaming magkasama.
Pero nung nag-work kayo ulit, bilang syempre magka-work, di ba? After yung pinagdaanan lahat-lahat, did you have to sit down and talk about it na, hey, professionally lang to or meron ba tayong boundaries? Walang ganon. Or it came out naturally
Parang natural lang siya. We never really discuss, we're gonna work ha, you better.
Walang ganon.
Walang ganon. Automatic yan. Parati nga namin sinasabi, and we even mentioned this in our press con. There are times, people probably don't see it, pero nag-aaway kami.
Ay, talaga?
Hindi kami okay.
During rehearsals? During the show?
At that moment, magkaaway kami. Masama ang loob ko sa kanya. And siguro vice versa. But pagdating namin sa stage, the minute we step on stage, you'll never feel it.
Ang galing.
We can do spiels, we can sing our songs. Siguro we're not as sweet on stage, but we will still push through with the show like nothing happened. Because nga siguro, we are meant to be partners on stage.
On stage. On stage na lang talaga. Paano kaya a girl yung mga hopya? Wala na.
I'm so glad na may madami.
Oo, maraming hopya.
Kung walang hopya, siguro...
Ako kung hindi ko lang alam yung story. Hopya ako. Sorry, ay namin ko na. Oo.
Yeah, in a way, we're very glad that mayroon pang hopya. But yun na nga, conscious rin naman kami ni Martin na hindi namin pinapalabas na kami pa rin, kakabalikan kami. Wala naman siguro kaming pinapalabas na ganon, which is very important for us because we don't want to fool also our audience.
And girl, for the producers to produce a show on a Valentine's, ibig sabihin, may magic pa rin talaga hanggang ngayon kasi you have concert, diba? Upcoming, Feb 7. So may magic pa talaga to think na hindi kayo at kahit maraming
and maybe because, admittedly, we still really enjoy performing with each other. Minus na all the other kwentos that we've been through, no? Like I said, pag nasa stage kami, parang nakakalimutan naman namin na kaaway pala tayo dati. Nagsamaan pala tayo ng loob. Because nga, somehow, there's always that magic or that chemistry that just happens on stage. And I'm hoping that it's still there, it still happens.
I think it is still there. And wala talaga, no one can surpass that title. It's still yours, girl, and it's still his. Siya pa rin ang concert king and ikaw pa rin ang mananatiling concert queen.
I'm so grateful na nagkaroon ako ng label or title. But I think now more than ever, nung bata ako, parang hindi pa ako convinced na I really like what I do. Hindi pa, kasi siguro masyado pa akong bata. Wala pa ako masyadong experience. Back then, baka feeling ko napipilitan rin lang ako because parang nalagay lang ako doon. No? But I think now more than ever, without even the title, I really realized na ito pala talaga yung gusto kong gawin. And I really, really want to excel even more.
Ang galing, no? Sa stage mo pang yan, you have still yet to say na parang, I love what I'm doing. Kasi di ba pag mga iba na na-achieve na nila lahat, parang okay na lang, you do it na lang just for the heck of doing it. Ikaw, with all humility, you'd say parang, because I still love what I'm doing.
I think sa lahat naman ng mga nakikita rin natin, mga matagal na sa industriya, I think hindi naman talaga tayo tatagal pag hindi naman natin
Meron
gusto
akong
yung
kakilala
ginagawa. Meron.
Bored lang siya.
Sino to? Mamaya. Sino yan?
So, ano?
Hindi ba niya kailangan mag-work? Ako
Oo.
naman, there was a time I thought, okay na ako, tama na yan. Let me see if I could do other things. And then one day, kumanta ako on stage once. Sabi ko, ay, na-miss ko pala siya. Na-miss ko pala yung may live audience. Na-miss ko pala yung interaction. Na-miss ko pala yung performing on stage.
Kasi di ba for a time, girl, sabi mo parang hindi ka muna magiging busy performing on stage, producing ka muna, di ba?
Yes,
Nag-produce ka ng a lot of concerts abroad, tapos dito. And then, pinagsabay mo, producing, and then ikaw na rin.
I don't know why. Napaka-stressful.
How do you do it?
God is good. I have very good people also supporting me. I have great friends. I have met a good team also.
Like this one, di ba? Your concert, your upcoming concert.
Yes.
You're producing it with?
I'm partly producing it with Viva Live, and Star Media. So, and in the past, may mga co-producers rin ako that yung click naman kami, wala kaming problem. So God has been very, very good. But it is really, definitely very taxing, stressful. Ang hirap na maging performer, but at the same time,
Producer.
pinoproduce mo. So parang you have to budget. Budget ba ako or all out ba ako? Kasi show namin yan. Or alam mo yon, magbenta ng ticket. Alam mo lahat yan. Iniisip mo yan lahat, diba? So, stressful na nga yung performance. Ang dami ko pa. But somehow, hinahanap-hanap ko rin pala siya. Gusto ko pala ng stress. Gusto ko pala yung hindi ako nakakatulog sa gabi paminsan-minsan. Because once you've done it, tapos naging okay, hinahanap-hanap
You keep
mo rin
looking
pala.
for it. Oo, parang pag-artista rin and ano, diba? And singing and producing.
Yes.
If you stop for a while, you keep looking for it. Lalo na if you have the passion for it, no?
Tama.
So girl, Feb 7 na to.
Feb 7, always and forever. Who would have thought, diba?
Always and forever.
It was, we're not saying we're always and forever.
I was gonna say, always and forever.
Yes. I think maganda lang yung title kasi mas na-identify ako with the always, and Martin is forever. Maybe yung always and forever, Dawn, is our chemistry will always be there. It will forever be there.
Yeah.
No matter what.
And always and forever, etched in our hearts, yung titles nyo, and yung chemistry nyo, and yung tandem nyo is really iconic. Until this day, kayo yun eh. Walang makakahigit sa inyo doon. Kayo yun.
Oh, thank you.
And this is directed by?
Ruel Santiago is our stage director, and Paolo Valenciano. Our musical director is Homer Flores.
So ito rin yung ano mo, favorite team mo talaga.
When I started singing, I was first a recording artist. Some people don't know that. Akala nila artista kagad ako. First muna ako naging recording artist. And ang first katrabaho ko na kagad is Homer Flores.
Kasi di ba si Tito Sen ang naka-discover sa
Sininang Tito Sen. Yan, ang aking discoverer. So parang inaalagaan rin niya si Tito Homer noon at that time. So magkasabay kami actually ni Tito Homer.
Yeah, I know that kasi napanood ko yung interview mo with Corina. So I somehow talagang pinanood ko. Siyempre ikaw yun. Pag ikaw pinapanood ko talaga. Kahit alam ko naman yung mo,
ang story mo,
pinapanood ko pa rin.
Thank you, girl.
So girl, I sincerely pray for your happiness. Alam ko, ayoko nang paulit-ulit na I wish ko yung love life mo. Ayoko na bahala na.
Yeah, I think it'll happen. A lot of people, there was a time na pa-pressure na ako. And there was a time I was really, parang I felt I was searching. Then I said, nakakapagod naman.
Yeah,
the more I search, the more I look, the more parang hindi nag-work. So sabi ko, baka God has other plans or baka, not baka, in God's time.
Yes, in God's perfect time.
Yes.
After all, bumabawi ka man ng bonggang-bongga sa career, sa apo, sa lahat.
I think my family.
Yeah,
I've never enjoyed my boys more than I am enjoying them now. Minsan nabanggit ko na to sa iba ring interviews ko na may pagka-guilty ako kasi syempre nung lumalaki sila, peak namin yun.
Correct.
So, hindi ko sila masyado talagang naalagaan. I mean, I was there, but hindi yung totally hands-on.
But you had reasons why.
Yes.
Because you had to work for them.
Yes, and everything. Lalo na nung nahiwalay ako, mas lalo na akong nag-work. So, nakikita lang ako ng mga anak ko at 4 a.m. kakatok ako sa kwarto nila. Papasok ako. Pagpasok ko, umiiyak ako nun. Umiiyak ako kasi sobra akong pagod dahil ang dami kong trabaho, tapos may mga intriga pa. Tapos at the same time, may halong guilt. Kasi nga, nakikita ko lang sila that early in the morning. Parang it's just in time for them to say goodbye while they're off to school. Tapos wala na naman ako the whole day. Magkikita na naman kami 4 or 5 in the morning or something like that.
Pero ngayon talaga, as in payback time naman, dahil sobra-sobra yung time talaga.
Bumabawi.
Ikaw talaga yung gumagawa ng way. Diba you told me kanina na last year parang you had to beg off in some schedules kasi nga baliktad naman yung bakasyon dito and bakasyon doon. Just to spend time with your boys. So talagang ang galing.
Parang gusto ko talaga na bago sila magkasariling family, yung we get to know each other more, diba? Ngayon, meron na nga akong apo.
Yes.
So ayan na, syempre, ang focus ng aking panganay is with his family na, di ba? With his child. So, sabi ko nga, I thank God na nagkaroon pa rin kami ng time ni Kuya. Yung kami-kami lang, di ba?
And at least, dun sa apo, you're part of it.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah.
Diba? One big happy family and you're now part of it. Ang hirap naman, girl, na dati nga wala nga masyadong time tapos hindi ka pa. Tapos ngayon wala pa, busy pa rin, wala pa rin. Ang galing ni God, no? Inayos na talaga lahat. So, I have a feeling that we shouldn't pressure you on your love life because in God's perfect time. So, guys,
I claim
pwede
that.
ba? Huwag na natin siya i-pressure. Ang importante,
hindi na ako pressured, girl.
Maganda siya. At maayos
hindi ako
lahat.
pressured.
Diba?
Yeah. So, I feel na, kasi minsan naririnig ko, ay kasi naman napaka-intimidating niyan or she's so whatever. Sabi ko, pag intimidated, baka hindi nga bagay sa akin. Kasi that means, takot ba sila or ano ba?
Girl, if only they get to know the real you. She's very smart. Can I, speak on your behalf? She's very smart. She's really intimidating. Only because if you don't have good intentions, then wag na lang. Waste of time. Because she's wiser now.
Thank you. Thank you for that. Yeah, and I would like to say yes. I am a little bit more wiser than I was.
Not little, bit. You are wiser. Oo. Talaga, di ba? Oo.
Dapat lang yata, di ba?
Dapat lang, di ba?
Sa sobrang dami nating lessons na pinagdaanan, I feel, baka sabihin ni God, tigas-tigas sa ulo mo? Ano ba? Tumigil ka na dyan. So sabi ko, sige na nga. Yeah. So, I'm not saying na 100% okay or I'm perfect. I'm so not. Alam mo yun, we still go through a lot of yung mga questioning of ourselves. But at least now, mas hindi na ako takot to go through it, diba? By myself. Yung pinaka nakakatakot dati, diba, is I know you've experienced this also is, akala mo, ikaw lang ang magpapatakbo ng buhay mo. Pag-isa ka, paano ko gagawin to? My God, may mga anak ko, may family pa ako, paano? But I think we've passed that with flying colors. God is good.
Girl, so happy to see you again.
Me too!
Thank you.
Yung chismis portion namin, later na po, after this.
Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only concert queen, Miss
girl.
Pops Fernandez.
Thanks, girl.